Itong attachment na ito, i-open natin pareho you guys so that we can both see what's in here. No, kasi importante ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga YouTuber no na nagsi-share ng ating content at ang ating mga evidence dito. So guys, itong update na ito, this is not yet signed by the judge, no? Nakita nyo, it's still the date is it's empty and it's not signed yet. So it may not be official yet, but it's already public, so it's highly likely na ito ay hindi maging problema o walang maging problema dito. So mababasa po natin. I don't know if you guys can read this, but if you guys want me to read this with you, I can. So ang sabi po dito, no, di na lang natin basahin yung sa taas. Ito ay about the attorney, the state attorney state. So dito tayo sa ating attorney for plaintiffs, number 9. United States of America, United States District Court for the Central District of California. Doon po ang nag-hold ng kaso ni Kibuloy dito sa US, sa California. So United States of America plaintiff versus Apollo C. Kibuloy and all. No? So ang sabi dito, upon application of the government and for good cause shown, the arrest warrants and returns in this case are unsealed. It is so ordered. So it's not yet signed because it was just submitted, no? At gusto ko lang na ma-share ko sa inyo agad ito. So it will not take maybe Monday, no, masign na ito ng judge. But ito ay unsealed na, guys. So what does that mean? You know, when I read this morning, I asked myself, what does it mean? So I'm not a lawyer, kaya hindi ko alam exactly kung anong ibig sabihin. So I asked, you know, to our lawyers, friends, no, na mga kaibigan natin, ibig daw sabihin nito ay tapos na ang investigation ng FBI. Kaya public na yung warrant. So anytime Kibuloy will be arrested na. No? I think that's what it meant. So correct me if I'm wrong kasi hindi naman ako lawyer. No? But this is what it says here. So, yan po ang update, ang big update ngayon dito sa US, pangyayari dito sa US. I also share that with the with our senator, with our Senator Risa Ontiveros sa kanyang team. We share that updates